How to add friends on Roblox. Ready to team up with your favorite Roblox players? This video shows you how to add friends on PC in under a minute. The first step is knowing your friend's username. So go to the roblox.com and log into your account. Then in the search bar, enter your friend's username at the top of the page and select people in the drop-down menu. While playing a Roblox experience, you can find your friend's username on the player list or scoreboard. Click on the search bar at the top of the Roblox website and type in your friend's username and select people from the drop-down menu. Once you find your friend in the search results, you can send them a friend request. Click on the friend's username and click on the button that says Add Friend. Your friend will receive a notification to accept your request. Once they accept, you'll be friends on Roblox and can chat, join games together, know when you're active, and more. Happy building and exploring with your Roblox squad. More Roblox fun coming soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.